What's up, everybody? I'd like to welcome you all to another Clash of Kings video from yours truly, Savage. 124. This video today is going to be about the Lord's equipment, the God of Forging. Uh, right now, my current server ranking, I'm 103. All servers, for Horizon, and they really kicking fucking ass. My kingdom. It's looking like this, which really I haven't really participated in it. I am though. I'm gonna get my forge on in a little bit. So what I'm gonna do? The slight little thing. Now it's based off your hero's armor, basically. Your hero's armor gives you more points, so you gonna want to put your heroes in some of the best armor that they can equip themselves in. See, I have some heroes that have bullshit equipment, but they already had like bullshit equipment on. So some heroes with a little bit of stuff on. You know what I'm saying? I'm still working on attending the new heroes, which I haven't really tried to do yet. Which really isn't dire need to have them. It's not like you're gonna just huff and puff and blow my castle down. Uh, and that's it. Make sure that you put equipment on your heroes. The more equipment you have on your heroes, the better chances of attaining more points. Get 80 wings for 20 million. 100 wings for 30 million. That's basically that's basically that's forging two of the archangels right there alone. Just getting them two. Have a good day, friends. Godspeed.